So this is exciting. This is my very first design team package from Scrapbooking Store. And you can go to scrapbookingstore.com. So the February kit, it is gorgeous and beautiful and full of nice bright saturated colors, and I cannot wait to get into it. So let me show you what we have. You get this nice printout with information about what's in the kit, and you can upgrade it and get like a nice little add-on and all that kind of stuff. I'll leave the link below for the kit club, and I can't wait to start working with it. I'm so excited. All right, I don't even want to look at the extra goodies yet. I want to show you the kit. Now, this is Flower Market by Jen Allison. It's a Carta Bella paper company kit, and do you know what that means? It's going to have that gorgeous, heavyweight, kind of bumpy, fantastic texture. Sorry about the crinkly bits, guys. You know that texture that is ridiculously good? That's what we're going to get. Okay, so just, you know, the info sheet that says it's so pretty, but the colors on this are gorgeous. They're better on this. So let me show you. Okay, I want to keep my information on that. All right, let me just go through. All right, so all of it's going to be Flower Market. All of it's going to be Carta Bella, all that kind of stuff. So I'll take you through all the papers. First paper, this is Beyond Beautiful. If anybody has it in them to fussy cut all of these pieces out, sure it would be stunning. Let's see, this is Flower Market Floral. Is that what it's called? Flower Market Floral. So it's one of those things. All right, so I guess this is the A side. It has these really great kind of watercolored stripes because they're not like super crisp. And then this side is like the world's most gorgeous floral paper in the history of time. Next paper I have, I think maybe I have them upside down. Like this one, oh my, I haven't seen this one yet. This one is called Flower Baskets, and it is the most stunning color of aqua. This is my very favorite color. Like when somebody says, what's your favorite color? I say aqua. They would say, what do you mean? This right here, this color of aqua with, it looks like cream flowers painted on the top. And the back are these adorable little baskets of flower that are in like little wicker baskets. Do I get, maybe I should pick, oh gosh. All right, let me do A sides and then I will flip it and do B sides in a minute. That might be a way to do it. Let me get my little rub-on bin out of the way. Okay, so next, this one is called Border Strips, and it's a gorgeous watercolor floral. I mean, the work is basically done for you on this. It is just stunning. And then the back side are these great border strips. Good name for it. But look at how cute these are that say poppies, fresh stems, tulips, all of this kind of stuff. That is gorgeous, and it's giving me some fab ideas. And these little pickup trucks, oh my goodness. I've always wanted one like that. Okay, digressing, showing you paper. I'll come up with ideas later. Okay, next, this is called Market Trucks. This is a gingham. It's really expanded, and it is not perfect again, which I love that. Oh, and this side has all those adorable little trucks on it. They were clearly brilliant when they decided to include all the little trucks. Next piece is called Market Shop, and this is stunning. The best background paper that I've seen so far in this. This is a really nice saturated rosy color. And the back side, oh, how cute. This whole kit is like a cut apart extravaganza. Gorgeous floral, cream background, nice little, you know, nice little signs that say what all the flowers are. So pretty. Well, I'm gonna break it up when I want to so that we can see it better. Next one is called 2x2 Squares. That really gorgeous rosy coral again. This looks like my grandmother's wallpaper. And oh, guess what? They are cut aparts, 2x2 cut aparts. Absolutely gorgeous cut aparts, so great for card making. Like look at this, this says thank you here. I could make a great card that says every flower is a soul blossoming in nature, bloom and grow, beauty. Oh yeah, cards are getting made, people. Cards are getting made. All right, I'm trying to keep it on A sides and then I can flip it to B sides. Beautiful. Next paper is called Garden Floral. Really great cream and almost like a blush color. Oh, and a great aqua with floral. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, have that. Next paper, I'm going to pull out this one. It's called Embroidery Hoops. We've got a really great mid-tone wood grain here. Kind of a tighter slat on it. And this one, look at how cute. They're embroidery hoops with, once again, these great little sentiments that you can do for cards. Look at how cute it is. This one says fresh from the garden. Wouldn't that be great if you did that and gave flowers to someone? So beautiful. Okay. Next, because I like the look of this paper, so I'm bringing it over. It's called Market Days, and we have a gorgeous aqua tone on tone. And once again, these look like they were watercolored on. They aren't super crisp, which is just so beautiful. And this side, it's fussy cut, fussy cut, fussy cut. Like, I am loving this indigo color right here on these little cute plants. So cute. Okay, I'm going to go like that. Next paper that I have, it's called Planted Flowers. So we have stripes going this way or this way, whichever way floats your boat. I prefer them going that way. This way looks like wallpaper. Oh, okay, and then a bunch of potted plants. Oh, these would be, and the thing that's so nice is you can actually cut them in a nice strip if you wanted it in a strip on the bottom of your paper, which I think is going to happen for me. All right, next, I've got this gorgeous blush color. They're called journaling cards, which makes me think that there's going to be journaling cards. So great blush color, really great background tone, and journaling cards. So yeah, these are just gorgeous. Look at that hello there. I just want to punch that right out. Love to punch this out. This says nature going this way. This is such a stunning collection. Okay, my last piece of paper in this collection is called multi-journaling cards. So much deeper, almost like a tulip pink. This is the black version, and this is this, like, I don't know, we can go magenta with that. Oh, and then the multi-journaling cards, we have journaling cards and multi-journaling cards. So we have 4x6s and we have 3x4s. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Look at this, you pop this out, put it on a card base, nice little sentiment, and there you go. Little stitcheroo. Okay, digressing, love it, it's gorgeous. All right, so this is the A sides, I think. And let's see if I can be successful at giving you the B sides. Voila. So clearly way busier on this side. So when you get to mix them back and forth, it's going to be stunning. Let me see if it says, yeah, there's 12 papers in here total. Now this looks too busy to my eye right there, so I'm going to flip it back and enjoy this. Oh, pretty. Now to go along with this, in this collection, we get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. And you know what? I'm going to bring my camera down like this while I talk about it with you. So look at this. They're like little drawer pulls that say lovely in nature. This gorgeous banner, a little watering can, which is so sweet. Oh, my favorite truck right there. Love that. The embroidery hoops, so now maybe I don't need to fussy cut them. I was thinking about it, but hey, if they want to do it for me. Look at this really great border down here, truly wondrous. The whole world is a garden. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous, and I hope you like this because this thing is gorgeous. All right, so that is a pattern paper kit. So if you ordered the kit from the store, this is the February scrapbooking kit. And now I'm going to show you the add-ons that I received. So these are an additional cost. Look in the link down below and you can see what all that's about. The first thing I have is this set of Heidi Swapp washi stickers. There's 45 in them. That's kind of cool. Look at how pretty. I'm going to open them up for you though, so you can see. Sorry, it's going to crinkle. It's just going to happen. Come on, washi stickers. All right, so okay, so these are nice. First one, I mean, I really like those bold pops of the black with the white. Some nice sentiments are in there. Great choice to go with these with the aqua. Now these are cool. So now we've got some little hearts and directional things too. A little, look at how cute that is. Oh, that's awesome. So a couple little shapes as well with our little washi pieces. So we have those. That's gorgeous. Now this is by Studio 112 Dimensional Stickers. There's these great sentiments, and it's looks kind of textural, almost like it looks like fabric practically. So there's stickers too, and they already have the dimension part done for you. You put them on, big giant impact, and there's 9 pieces altogether. That is gorgeous. All right, so then this thing is huge. Oh, and it's so much prettier than online. I promise you, like online it was pretty, in person it is stunning. Okay, Bow Bunny Noteworthy. There's 37 pieces in here. Let's take a look-see, shall we? All right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you one by one, just in case you'd like to have kind of like a synopsis and then really see them. So I'm going to put these beautiful pieces up here, and now I'm going to open up my Noteworthy bin. And I do know when I create, I'm going to go ahead and put it in my handy dandy little container. So I'm going to just have that on my desk because I'm going to get right to playing with this stuff because I am kind of digging it. All right, come on out, guys. Oh, this is so cool because there's some really big pieces, and then there's like, you know, mid-tone and then smaller, or mid-size and then smaller. All right, I'm going to bring this back up just a tiny bit and start showing you. And I think I'm going to go, oh my goodness. All right, this is awesome. This has text in here that looks like it's, you know, kind of blurred out handwriting. You can't see it. You could almost use it for journaling lines. That's cool. So that is one of the big pieces. And then I'm kind of pulling the big ones, and I think I'm going to work up this. I'm going to move these over here. This says Early Bird, and it says really large piece, and you can have this. That would be so great for a farmer's market. Next, this very large piece. It almost looks like a bookmark. It says Bloom, so title totally done for you there. Oh, we have this adorable little teapot. It's like a ceramic teapot. So cute. I wish I had the teapots from my grandparents from back in the day. Bloom where you are planted. There's this gorgeous floral. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so cool. All right. That is so cool. It's got kind of that mustard tone in it with nice pops of black. Oh, there's 3 clocks. Awesome. That would be great all on one layout. Those are awesome. Let's see what else is in here. Now I'm getting to some of the smaller pieces, and this is where it gets kind of fun. So let me go up just a little bit more again. All right, so I'm going to just start putting them down. These are so cool. Floral pieces. I've got banners. Put some banners going this way. Oh, got a little buggy. Is that a moth or a butterfly? What do you guys think? Oh, little teacup to go with my little teapot. 2 teacups, cute. Some floral pieces. Another little butterfly guy, a bird. Hopefully the bird doesn't eat the butterfly. Just thinking about it. Could be a whole crime scene. Cute. Okay. More of these beautiful little floral pieces. These are these gorgeous roses, butterflies going this way. I've got some more bird pieces, which are so pretty. I love that really nice light coral color in them. Yellow butterfly, aqua rose. Now we have a little bit of a smaller little flower that's so great when you can have all the different sizes. Gorgeous navy butterfly. There is not enough navy in scrapbooking, everybody. A larger kind of coral flower and a smaller yellow. So this is my embellishment kit that I get to work with that gorgeous collection. So come back ever so soon and we're going to get creating with this. Like I'm going to scrapbook in like 2 minutes with this. Okay, bye friends. See you soon.